up to 50 crore
Now only we are
and
recording.
turnover is up to, sorry sir?
Content. Now only we are recording. I forgot to switch it on. Doesn't matter. Now
Okay,
you are telling this correctly. Please tell me. We'll start again from definition of MSME. Start.
sir. MSME stands for micro, small, medium enterprises. They have been defined based on the category of investment as well as the turnover. So any manufacturing enterprise or the service providing enterprise who has the investment up to 1 crore or they have a turnover up to 5 crore, they are termed as micro enterprise. Second, when I talk about the small enterprise, they are the one who has the investment up to 5 crore and turnover up to uh, 25 crore, up to 10 crore.
No. Wrong. Investment 10 crore, turnover 50 crore.
50 crore. And then the,
Correct.
yes sir, and then the micro and medium scale enterprises are those where the uh, investment is up to 50 crore and turnover is up to 250 crore.
Hmm. Good. Sometimes they may not ask this simple question to you because they will expect much higher questions from you. Now, one thing I have found is you candidates, because you don't have time, you are not able to make use of the materials provided by me also. Did you go through what are all the materials I have given?
Yes sir, I had a glance
Can you
for all the
can,
list.
can you tell me what is this about? Financial awareness June. Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes sir, I am able to see that.
Hmm. What is this about? What is it containing? How many pages are there in this?
Page, there are files approximately 20.
Huh?
I
20
think I
pages.
think yeah, not 20 pages. There are 20 approximately 20 files under this folder.
20 files under this folder. Good answer. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, somewhere around 20, 25. I'm not worried about the number. It is somewhere
Yes,
around 40 or so. Doesn't
yes,
matter. But at
sir.
least you are aware what are there inside this. Did you have an opportunity to read them? No.
I, I I read one I read one file yesterday.
What is the file?
Please go back.
Hmm.
And below there was a Word file related to PNBSO on the at the home page.
It's in the first page.
Yes, sir.
In the first page,
Yes. So this one go down. Yes, sir. This one PNB National Bank Credit. I had just gone
PNB
through this file.
credit officer. This one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was
Here
just going
only
through what I did.
question. Here only
Yes, sir.
questions are given. Questions are
Yes,
given. Correct. You went through this? Yeah.
yes, sir.
Good. We will come to that later, not now. That will be
Sure.
at a later stage. That will be at a later stage. Now, this financial awareness consists of so many files, some of them very useful, some of them not so relevant for this credit officer interview. Ignore them. For example, negotiable instrument and all उतना important नहीं है.
जी सर.
Only from the angle of credit के लिए आपको these will be useful. Surfacing, types of charges, then priority sector lending, then likewise these are insolvency bankruptcy code, these things, government agriculture, um, then external commercial borrowing, likewise some of these things, Basel norms, then banks with headquarters information, then
Yes, sir.
banking, and yeah, these things will be of use for you. You can FEMA, something on FEMA, this will be useful for you. You can go through that. Okay. Then what
Sir.
does this contain? This contains some commerce related interview questions. Commerce related interview questions. Here again, these are all very simple. Very simple. Itna easy, they won't ask you. Okay. But
Okay, sir.
still, you must revise this and be familiar with what is given herein.
Yes,
Then
sir.
this one will be useful for you. Credit officer type of loans.
Yes, sir.
Because for people like you who have not had practical experience in a bank, this will be of great use because uh, you may not know it fully. Please read it. A term loan, please read it. Term loan,
A term loan is simply a loan provided for business purposes that needs to be paid back within a specified time frame. It typically carries a fixed interest rate, monthly or quarterly repayment schedule, and includes a set of maturity date. Term loans can be both secure, that is, some collateral is provided, and unsecured. A secure term loan will usually have a lower interest rate than an unsecured one. Depending upon the repayment period, this loan type is classified as under short-term loan, where the repayment period is less than 1 year, medium-term loan, where the repayment period is from 1 to 3 years, and long-term loan, where the repayment period is above 3 years. A bank overdraft facility. A bank overdraft facility refers to the ability to draw funds greater than are available in the company's current account. The actual size of the facility and the interest to be paid on overdraft is typically agreed to prior to sanction.
not
An overdraft
that
facility
that
is
that too is
considered
agreed to prior to sanction.
to sanction.
Hmm.
An overdraft facility is considered as a source of short-term funding as it can be covered with the next deposit. Letter of credit. A letter of credit is a document issued by a financial institution assuring payment to a seller provided certain documents have been presented to the bank. This ensures the payment will be made as long as the services are performed, usually the dispatch of goods. Hence, a letter of credit serves as a guarantee to the seller that he or she will be paid as agreed. It is often used in trade financing when goods are sold to overseas customers or the trading parties are not well known to each other. Bank guarantee. A bank guarantee is a letter of guarantee issued by a bank on behalf of its customer to a third party, which is who is the beneficiary, guaranteeing that the certain sum of money shall be paid by the bank to the third party within its validity period on presentation of the letter of guarantee. A letter of guarantee usually sets out certain conditions under which the guarantee can be invoked. Unlike a line of credit, the sum is only paid if the opposing party does not fulfill the stipulated obligations under the contract. A bank guarantee is usually used to insure a buyer or seller from loss or damage due to non-performance by the other party in a contract. Lease finance. Lease finance is a modern financing method that allows individuals or companies to own and make use of certain assets for medium to long-term financing period in return for previously set interim payments. The lessor, who is finance company, purchases the assets and become its legal owner. At the conclusion of the leasing period, the lessor, who have recovered a large portion of the initial cost of the identified asset, in addition to interest earned from the rental or installments paid by the lessee. The lessee also has the option to acquire ownership of the identified asset by, for example, paying the final rental or installment, or by bargaining a final purchase price with the lessor. Throughout the duration of the leasing period, the lessor, that is the finance company, remains the legal owner of the asset. However, the lessee has control over the asset and makes use of it as required. SME collateral free loan. This is usually a business loan offered to SME and are collateral free or without third party guarantee. Here, the borrower is not required to provide collateral to avail the loan. It is made available to SMEs in both the startup as well as existence phases to serve working capital requirements. purchase of machines, support expansion plans. However, it is to be noted that small businesses involved in retail trade are not eligible for this type of loans. Construction equipment loan. Construction equipment loans are provided for purchase of both new and used equipment like excavators, backhoe loaders, cranes, higher-end construction equipment, etc. The tenure of such loans vary from 12 to 60 months depending upon the deal and nature of repayment capacity. This is usually a secure loan where the machine itself is hypothecated until the loan is repaid. Next is SME credit card. A SME credit card is a loan type that is made available either in cash credit or in term loan type. The quantum of credit goes to 10 lakh. This loan facility can be used by a small industrial unit, small retail traders, small business enterprises, and transport traders. The repayment period for term loan is 5 years and 3 years for cash credit. Commercial vehicle loans. Commercial vehicle loans enables a borrower to purchase vehicles like trucks, buses, tippers, light commercial vehicles. The tenure of such loan vary from 12 to 60 months depending upon the deal and nature of repayment capacity. This loan facility is provided to companies with more than 2 years of business experience, existing owners of at least two commercial vehicles, captive customers, and transporters. It is important to note that these are only general descriptions. Lenders have their specific loan evaluation and documentation criteria before a lending decision is taken.
This general idea about
Sir,
various types of loans, which will be of use for people like you who have
sir,
not had the exposure in a real bank branch.
yes, sir,
So you be thorough with that. And these are the um, commerce type of questions which I showed you earlier. Do you have any? Did you go through these questions? Very simple ones.
sir.
Yeah, please read this, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. If I know, I will answer them. Please go through them. Mm.
Sir,
Tell, read.
tell about double entry bookkeeping,
Mm.
accounting concepts, going concern, cost concept, business entity concept. Tell about balance sheet, trial balance, what are reserves, accounting standard. Uh, so
Accounting
they are,
standards. Here you
yeah,
have to say about Ind AS 1, 2, 3, 4, and all that. If you search in Google in
yes, sir.
India accounting standards, you will get it. From there, you can study about it. This will be asked mostly for chartered accountants or commerce related students. For you, it may not come. Don't worry. Go to the 7th.
Okay, so tell about types of depreciation, trading account, profit and loss account, accounting procedure for non-profit organization, donation. Yeah, this 10th one is, I'm not aware of it.
This one, donations,
Count,
legacies. No? This
yeah,
one,
yeah, accounting procedure.
yeah, 1 minute. Let us see that.
Real
Then
serial number.
all these things I got brought from an accountancy book. From there only I gave it. Anyhow, we can just search it and then try to get what is the idea we are getting. 1 minute.
Oh,
India. Mhm. Accounting for, are you seeing on the line on the screen?
yes, sir, accounting procedure for non. I am able to see the word file.
Yeah. Accounting for not for profit organizations. Large number of accounting for not for profit organizations. This is good. Accounting for not EPFO. This is a, I think, NCERT book. Accounting records for not profit or profit organization, receipts and payments. receipts and payments and that. So इसको आप पढ़ना है. Okay.
So I'm not able to see your screen. I'm only able to see the Word file which you are showing previously.
अच्छा, 1 minute. Just a minute.
Yes, sir. It's visible now.
This one I just searched learning objective. इसको पढ़ लीजिए. After
जी sir.
studying this chapter, after studying this chapter, please read. Are you able to see now on the screen?
Yes, sir. I'm able to see it. So shall I read the main content or the learning
Only
objective?
learning objectives.
After studying this chapter, you will be able to identify the need for and nature of accounting records relating to not-for-profit organizations, list the principal financial statements prepared by not-for-profit organizations, prepare the receipt and expenditure account and balance sheet from a given receipt and payment.
Listen. Receipt and payment account.
Receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account.
Uh,
Prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet from a given receipt and payment account. Explain treatment of certain peculiar items of receipt and payment such as subscriptions from members, special fund, legacies, sale of old fixed assets, etc.
Yeah, this is how it goes. Here they are telling you meaning and characteristics of not-for-profit organizations. Then accounting records of not-for-profit organizations. Then they will tell you about a receipt and payment account, how receipts are returned, how payments are returned. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then I don't know, some two entries are given. What is this? Bank amount, office amount. I don't know why it is coming like this. Acha. Possibly that reconciliation statement like thing. These two
Yeah,
are
maybe.
maybe, I don't know. Check it up. Then
Yes, sir.
item wise aggregation of various receipts. See, subscription alone, how much? Then entrance fees alone, how much? Like this. Life membership fee, how much? All the expenditures are given. Then receipts, these are the receipts that are there. These are the payments that are there. You have to go through that to know what are they giving. Then um, life membership fees and all that. Salient features. It's a summary of cash book. Okay. Then steps in preparation of receipt and payment account, followed by um, income and expenditure account, followed by steps in preparation of income expenditure account. And some examples are also given. You can just go through that. Then balance sheet kaise, this alone you will read it. Please read this. Not for profit organizations. Please read.
Not for profit. Yes, sir. Not for profit organizations prepare balance sheet for ascertaining the financial position of the organization. The preparation of their balance sheet is on the same pattern as that of the business entities. It shows assets and liabilities as at the end of the year. Assets are shown on the right-hand side and the liabilities are on the left-hand side. However, there will be a capital fund or general fund in place of the capital and the surplus or deficit as per income and expenditure account, which is either added to or deducted from the capital fund, as the case may be. It is also a common practice to add some of the capitalized items like legacies, entrance fee, and life membership fee directly in the capital fund. Besides the capital or general fund, there may be other funds created for specific purposes or to meet the requirements of the contributor or donor. such as building fund, sport fund, etc. Such funds are shown separately in the liability side of the balance sheet. Sometimes it becomes necessary to prepare balance sheet as at the beginning of the year in order to find out the opening balance of the capital or general fund.
Mm. So likewise, some more items are there. इसको पढ़ लीजिए.
जी सर.
Get to know this if time permits.
Mhm.
How to give this to you? Mm.
Just copy
I
the
have
link
to.
and you can
No,
paste
no,
on my
copy.
chat.
No, no. I will attach this file. 72020. You are a member of Telegram group, na?
Yes, sir, I am there.
I think it is LEAC 101 only, na? LEAC 101. Mm. 1 minute. Let us see whether I have given the correct file or not. Correct. Same thing. I have given the correct thing. No problem. Good.
Okay,
Now
sir.
1 minute. 1 minute. We will go here. We are here. We are studying this. Please go through this. Number 11.
So it's not visible. I am
No,
able
no,
to
I'm
see.
sorry. Because I have to share it again.
Sir.
Share it. Now, please read 11.
Yes, sir. Distinction between receipt and payment and income and expenditure account. Tell the salient feature of Partnership Act related to accounting. Yeah, this is a new to me.
Mhm. Partnership
Yeah.
Act, you should know about. Um, Go to the Google and search and then try to get like what we did now. Okay?
Okay, so sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Got it, sir.
Yeah.
Joint stock companies, types of shares, debentures, dividend. Tell the major changes relating to balance sheet in revised Schedule 6 of Companies Act. I need to check this one. 16 number.
No, no,
Details.
this is an important thing. You can search in Google and get it. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Detail the general instructions.
General instruction for preparing of company's balance sheet. What are long-term funds, non-current assets, intangible assets, current assets, contingent liabilities and commitments, significance and purpose of financial statement analysis, principal tools of analysis, ratio analysis and interpretation, ratio related to long-term liquidity, short-term liquidity, solvency, profitability, importance of return on investment, advantages on limitation of ratio analysis, comparison of financial statements, various various sources and applications of fund, calculation of fund from operation of fund flow statement, schedule of changes in the working capital, uses of funds, meaning of cash flow statements and distinction from fund flow statement, accounting standard AS3, preparation of cash flow statement, objective and use of cash flow statement, nature and objective of auditing, statutory and non-statutory audit, broad outline of company audit, internal and management auditing, forms of business organization, capital and money market distinction analysis, causes for business combinations, horizontal combination and vertical combination, federations, associations and businesses, Competition Commission of India, rationalization of companies, oblique businesses, foreign trade import procedure, foreign trade export procedure, function of management, element of planning. So export related questions, FEMA, export, import, will it
No,
be
no,
relevant for?
no. Actually, if some discussion goes towards export import, then they may ask you. Otherwise, they will not ask. But इतना समय नहीं है आपको prepare. Don't see. I have given you 100 items. You read at
Sir,
least 20 items.
okay, sir.
Understand? Yeah. I
Got
know
it, sir.
the I know the content I am providing for you is much higher, but After all this, they will ask simple questions like what they have read in the newspaper one day before, 2 days before. मुलायम सिंह यादव का बारे में बताओ. बस खत्म. Understand?
Yes, sir.
You are from which state?
I'm from Bihar.
बिहार तो बिहार होने से तो आपको नीतीश कुमार का बारे में पूछेगा, तेजस्वी का बारे में पूछेगा, something like
Okay.
that. Anyhow, not very important, but they are important from the point of view of interview to show
Sir,
your confidence. To show your confidence. समझ गए? या
got it, sir.
अभी पढ़ लीजिए functions of management.
Functions of management,
अच्छा,
elements
no
of
no,
planning.
I have just given functions of management. इसका अंदर में आपको 20 क्वेश्चंस आएगा. What are the functions of management? What are the skills manager should have? What is leadership skill? What is problem solving skill? What is group management skill? Or like that, इतना पूछ सकते हैं. Because you are an MBA student, you will know it.
Yes,
Understand?
sir. Yes,
Yeah.
I understand it.
Then elements of planning. Mm.
Elements of
Continue.
planning,
Mm.
principles of organization,
Mm.
centralization and decentralization of authority, motivation concept, leadership concepts, why you must be selected, and credit monitoring analysis services.
Mm. This is one thing. This is what I prepared initially.
Mm-hmm.
This last year. Last year I prepared this. And apart from this one, most common interview questions. ये तो हर इंटरव्यू में एसएमपी क्वेश्चंस तो आएगा ही. What? Please read. What are your strengths?
What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Why are you interested in working for PNB?
Yeah. What is the
Where do you
answer?
see?
What is the answer you will give for this?
Uh,
No, I know you may not be ready now. You get ready and then come to me. Your interview is only on 20th. Na?
yes, sir.
We will fix up one day for mock interview for you. At
Yes,
which,
sir.
1
You had
minute.
said that
At
on.
which time? At which time
Yes,
you can come? Which date you want?
you had confirmed on 16th, 7:30 p.m.
अच्छा, it's been लिखा नहीं हमने.
That is Sunday.
I am writing now. Sunday. Yeah. ठीक है, note कर दिया. PNB. Yes. So आप prepare करके आना है उस रोज में. Then read
Yes, sir.
this. Number 4.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Why do you want to leave your current company? Why was there a gap
These
in
are
your
all these are
employment?
all simple questions, but you must be prepared. Today, what happened in one interview for Federal Bank? They are all MBA students, final year students, and they did not ask any thing very difficult and all that. But then it depends on their mood also. They have made it for
Sir,
everybody 5 to 10 minutes. खत्म करके भेज देता है. So
sir.
again, it depends on your own fate. आपका दिमाग में जो लिखा है उसका बारे में जाएगा. I hope you understand.
Yes, I
Interview,
understand.
interview 50% luck, 50% merit.
Sir,
Yeah. Now please read. Why was there a gap in your
gap
employment?
in your
That
employment
question will not
between.
that question will not come for you because you have been working all along. But
Yes, sir.
only problem is you were in engineering, now into MBA, into microfinancing, and now into this. Are you considered eligible for this for PNB? Are they not asked for some experience certificate?
Yes, sir. They have asked for experience in the eligibility criteria. They had mentioned experience in bank, NBFC, or credit agency. Three options were there.
Very good. Then okay. Then number 7, you read.
What can you offer us that someone else cannot?
What is this question?
Uh,
कुछ
it
नहीं
means
है.
that.
But again, it is very important from interview angle. Can you answer this? What can you offer that someone else cannot?
I would
क्या
say
करेगा?
that one.
क्या करेगा? I will dance like that बोलेगा? ऐसा तो नहीं बोल सकता.
No, sir. I would say that one of my strength is the credibility, and that I can offer that in case of any job or the responsibility, I will show my credibility, and there will be assurance from my side that I'll do best to my extent possible.
But so, what is the pay packet like you are having now? Is it less than scale 2 salary of Punjab National Bank or more than Punjab National Bank salary?
I'm getting 9 CTC as of now.
Oh, great. Good. Excellent.
Sir.
Then they will ask you this question. अरे भाई, तुम क्यों उधर को छोड़ के इधर आते हैं? इधर में हम लोग scale 2 is it for scale 2 ना? This one.
It is for scale 2.
Scale 2 तो maximum आपको 80,000 मिलेगा. 80,000 or 9,60,000. अच्छा, there is going to be increase in salary. You can tell that as a reason.
Yes,
There
sir.
will be increase in salary plus there will be scope for career growth also. Acha,
Yes, sir.
if you are getting if your company is paying this much amount, then who are the important people behind this company?
One of my co-founder and managing director is Sanjay Sinha, who is leading this organization. Another board of directors is Francis Sinha,
Mhm.
and one is the ex civil servant. His name is I'm missing his name right now. He is the ex secretary of Ministry of Petroleum,
Good.
and
So
one
there
is
are
the CEO.
there are
Yes, sir.
big people. There are big people behind this
Yes,
company.
sir. And one thing I want to tell you that in our company, ADB has taken 15% of the stake.
Oh, Asian Development Bank.
Yes, sir.
Oh, great. Then they still all the more they will ask you, अरे भाई इतना बड़ा कंपनी को छोड़ के तुम इधर क्यों आते हैं?
So my family has been banker. Like my father was a retired AGM from Allahabad Bank, which is now the Indian Bank. My
Hmm,
younger brother is also as a PO in UCO Bank. So since very beginning, I had inclination towards the bank. And
good.
since I have done my post graduation in finance, I have been looking for the opportunity to get into the banking sector, but I have not been able to get it because the other banking who has been asking for the specialization positions, their eligibility criteria did not allow a non-banking professional to get into the written examination or the interview. This is the first time I got an opportunity where a credit rating agency's employee
Hmm,
was eligible to appear for the examination. So I'm getting this opportunity and tried for it.
Good. Excellent. Um, your company has been approved by SEBI.
No, sir, my company operates in the microfinance sector. It's not in the capital market. So it's not required to have registration with SEBI.
That under whose registration it should be registered? Only Companies Act.
Yes, sir, only Companies Act.
Oh. Acha, are they not under control of any other authority?
No, I have not come. This question is also running into my mind. I am trying to find out the answer, but I think there is no any regulatory body supervising our company, sir.
To whom are you to submit returns? Only to Registrar of Joint Stock Companies.
Yeah, yes, sir. Only
Every
registrar of.
year, every year you have to submit a statement of account, that is balance sheet.
Yes, sir.
That and 1 minute. Micro credit rating internet. What is your website name? 1 minute. What is the website of your company? www.
M hyphen
M hyphen
hyphen
I
CRIL
M hyphen CRIL.
IL and press enter.
M
It will come, sir.
M krill. M krill inclusive microeconomics.
Yes, sir. Its
Correct?
full form is Micro Credit Rating International Limited.
आ गया जी. Oh, very good. अच्छा लगता है, but looks very conservative. Like say lot of green, red, and all that. Green is more. Why they have given more of green in this?
It's a trademark, trade color, sir. Or
Oh,
you say that's a branded color that most of the time we use only green.
only I don't know. I told just like that, but पीछे में जाने से तो पूरा ग्रीन में है. अरे भाई,
हाँ सर.
अच्छा जी, आपको एक्सपर्टाइज क्या क्या है बताइए उसके बारे में. आपको कंपनी के बारे में बताओ जी. आप लोग क्या क्या काम करते हैं?
So this MPhil company was founded in 1996,
हम्म,
and it has started. It was one of the pioneer company which has started the rating of
हाँ,
microfinance institutions.
हम्म,
Later on, it has expanded its operation in the social rating as well as
हम्म,
another inclusive microfinances. For
हम्म,
example, right now they are providing consultancy to the uh, agriculture and livelihood, other
हाँ.
research and developments.
Hello. Why are you telling they are? You have to say we are.
We are. Okay, sir.
आप क्यों they are बता दिया? Huh?
We
You
are.
should say it is your company now. You are part and parcel of the company. So you should say, or you can simply use the company is providing, company is giving like that, or our company is doing like that. You can say. Understand?
Got
Yeah.
it, sir. Noted.
Because they want to know, are you associating yourself with that or not? अरे भाई बहुत बड़ा कंपनी है जी.
Yes, sir,
बहुत
our
बड़ा
consultancy services have been to a lot of countries, 34
बहुत
countries in Asia.
ये बहुत बड़ा कंपनी है जी. 13 countries में है और 40 farmer producer organizations, 65 inclusive financial institutions, 65 communities and MSMEs, serviced with 19.8 million low income, then 10.8 billion USD portfolio. अरे भाई. And gender and women employment empowerment, food security, poverty inclusive, ये सब का बारे में अब बात करना है. You must be able to talk about each and everything at least 3 or 4 lines. What is the
But
contribution of company regarding program evaluation, equity valuation, micro housing, due diligence in commercial, whatever it is, impact assessment, economic development. ये सब में what is the contribution of the company and what is your contribution?
sir,
समझ
but
गए?
yes, I understand it. But this whatever other expertise which has been mentioned on the website, they are related to another verticals, which is consultancy. So will it be relevant with the credit type of work?
अच्छा, 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 अच्छा. Not directly related to the role you are playing.
Yes, sir,
Oh,
it will be only related to micro inclusive finance, like rating
then
and certification.
then you better get to know what you are supposed to do, what you are doing. I think that must be sufficient. But
Yes.
generally, out of gossip, they can ask you what is the things your company is doing. In which case, इसका बारे में 2 3 lines आप बोलने से अच्छा होता है.
Yes, sir.
Because I expect you as an interviewer to find out. You say what are the countries you are working. Can you tell me where are you working? Your company is working in which countries?
We have physical presence in India, Myanmar, Vietnam, and Cambodia.
म्यांमार में अभी कुछ गड़बड़ चलता है, उसका बारे में बोलिए. दिस इज
Sir, it
इंटरव्यू.
may
दिस इज
yes.
इंटरव्यू. दिस इज हाउ इंटरव्यू विल गो. म्यांमार में अभी कुछ गड़बड़ चलता है वेयर पीपल आर बीइंग मिसयूज्ड एंड ऑल दैट. उसका स्टोरी आप जानते हैं?
I know the overall picture, but not the names exactly of the political parties and the leaders.
Political parties I don't want. I am
No,
talking about in terms of employment. Some IT officers, IT people being taken to Thailand, from Thailand to Myanmar. Are you aware of this story or not?
no, sir, I'm not aware of it.
अरे भाई, क्या है? अरे भाई, as a person going for interview, you must know this. ये बहुत गड़बड़ चलता है दुनिया पर ये बात चलता है ना. इंडिया, थाईलैंड, म्यांमार जॉब स्कैम. इंडिया टाइम्स. Are you seeing? I am my searching it.
Thailand jobs in 45 minutes.
अब are you seeing it?
Yes, sir.
ये बात आपको जानना जरूरी है. If
Yes,
I
sir.
am an interviewer, I will ask you. But of course, though you are not IT person,
Mm-hmm.
because you brought Myanmar into account, I had to ask this. Otherwise, this question will not come. इसमें बहुत कुछ चलता है जी. People are being put into lot of difficulties.
Okay, sir. I'll go through this one. I
पढ़
am not.
लीजिए. Yeah. So
Yes,
it
sir.
doesn't matter. You prepare for your company's questions relating to your company properly. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, very good. What's the time now? And then we can spend another 5-6 minutes. ऐसा मपी ये पूरा questions को आप prepare करना है.
जी sir.
This one I copied from internet only. Somewhere internet में था ये सब. If you search most common interview questions, आपको ये सब मिल जाएगा. वो सब दिया है, ये सबको prepare कर दीजिए. ठीक
Sure,
है?
sir. I'll do that. Yes, sir.
Then next one is what is P&B credit analysis? This also you must read. I have copied it from their website only. ये सबको भी पढ़ लीजिए. And possibly there can be changes in this. You better go to their website and study.
Okay, sir.
Then risk management in banks. इसका बारे में क्वेश्चन आने का उम्मीद नहीं है, फिर भी
Mm-hmm.
हमने इसमें दिया है because it may be of use for you sometimes, not here, somewhere. credit risk इसका बारे में तो आएगा आपको. So prepare कर दीजिए.
ठीक है sir.
Good. Next is 1 minute. So we have done only this file. First file, I have
First
showed
one.
you about this file also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, you should go through this one. Here, this is consisting more of general knowledge and other things. Like August, 5th, September is not here. I have to add it. I will add September also. Hold on. What is today's date? July. MICA. MICA Hindi. MICA English. वो भी add कर दिया. So here
Okay.
general knowledge you will get, but sometimes the questions may not be related to that, but the questions may be related to what you are seeing in the newspaper. For example, who is the present Chief Justice? Who is going to become the next Chief Justice? And who is the Attorney General? Likewise, questions will come. R. Venkataramani, then Chandrachud. So after you have to go through, which newspaper are you reading? Indian Express or Hindu?
Financial Express.
Financial Express.
No, no, Indian Express, sir. Not Financial
Indian
Express. Indian.
Indian Express पढ़ने से भी हो जाएगा. Good.
Sir.
Prepare कर दीजिए. Very good. Are you sitting before laptop or what? Are you sitting before laptop?
No, sir. I'm holding the mobile, sir.
Mobile. Where is the laptop? Nearby you or where is it?
Yeah, it's nearby me.
So please switch on that.
Yes, sir. I have
One
booted my
minute.
laptop.
Yeah. You just type out uiic.co.in. uiic.co.in. Are you getting it open? Is it opening for you?
Yes, sir. It has opened United India Insurance Company.
अच्छा, मेरे को तो ओपन करता नहीं है. हम तो 10-15 दिन से खोलते हैं.
हाँ, मेरे में ओपन हो गया सर.
एक मिनट. आई एम गेटिंग इट इन सर्च, बट जब हम अंदर जाते हैं ये तो खोलता ही नहीं है. ओह, आपको खोल दिया. ओहो,
यस सर.
तो देखो ना इतना समथिंग रॉन्ग विथ माय लैपटॉप और समथिंग लाइक दैट. लैपटॉप भी नहीं है. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इट इन माय सेल फोन आल्सो. प्रोबब्ली देयर इज सम restriction in Canada. ऐसा कुछ होगा.
मे बी सर.
uiic dot co dot in. Just a minute. इधर भी नहीं खोलता है जी. आई एम ट्राइंग इन माई लैपटॉप, खोलता नहीं है. इधर सेल फोन में करते हैं, इधर भी आता नहीं. पता नहीं क्या है. कोई बात नहीं, डजंट मैटर. नाउ आई वाज टेलिंग यू अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. सो MICA, here at least September month only you read.
जी सर.
That will do because समय नहीं है. And after that so many other papers are there. आप थोड़ा देख लीजिए. बाद में अगले
सर.
बार जब हम लोग मीट करते हैं तब डिस्कस करेंगे.
श्योर सर.
Very good. And I want you to prepare yourself on ratio analysis, working capital assessment, then types of securities questions, priority sector. ये सब prepare कर दीजिए. ठीक है? See,
ठीक है सर.
all these things have been provided by one candidate. I have not bought this. I only bought this one, financial awareness from bank exam today, paying some 3,500 or so. Whereas the other things were all provided by one candidate. Unfortunately, he has not been selected for interview. Very bad. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Please prepare कर दीजिए. बाद
जी
में
सर.
हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. किस तारीख है?
श्योर सर.
16 तारीख.
16.
Thank you.
16
Very,
7:30.
very good. Best wishes.
Okay. Yes sir. Thank you sir. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much. 1 minute. I will close this. I will stop sharing over. Then 1 minute. Yeah, I'll close this. This will be posted in our YouTube so that you can also see that, and it will be of use for others also. Thank you.
Okay sir. Sure.
Because
Okay sir.
basically I did this now because many of them, they are not knowing how to use the materials I'm giving. Just to take you through that only I did this.
Sure sir.
Anyhow,
Thank you. Yeah.
best wishes. You have a very good chance provided you go with a smiling face, not like this, like this. Huh? क्यों शादी हो
Got
गया
it.
नहीं हुआ? शादी हो गया नहीं हुआ?
हो गई है सर.
हो गया. एक बार ना दो
यस
बार?
सर.
एक बार हो गया.
एक ही बार हुई है सर.
Anyhow, God bless you. Is your wife working?
She is doing PhD sir.
Oh, great. Excellent. Best wishes. PhD in which subject?
In social work.
Bhai, that is also very very, very fluid subject. Not very solid. Very good. Excellent. Social work. They
Yes
can
sir.
also ask you during the interview. So, what is your wife doing? Social work. So, which type of thesis is she doing? Something like that. Please talk to her to get to know about it.
Okay sir. I'll do that.
Yeah, they will ask.
Thanks for pointing it out.
Yeah, it will be asked. Thank you.
Yes sir. Okay
Bye
sir.
bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.